once again, no? Continuations and Jack. Swear, what you cannot find this management in the whole world by which now trusted by the Europe, the Zoom TV. There you are. In some Virgin Galactic stakeholders ask for refund on tickets after crash. Yeah, pareha ni Richard Branson lagi no nga because he is a businessman tycoon in the British. Then it's business about airplane by which he has like Virgin the term. Yeah, that's why how many years a success of Virgin by which now he upgrades into orbit the moon. Me also as a physiotherapist for how many years, especially for the poor, by which I learn a lot and study, and together with my prayer, by which now I want the machine in which I discover the same for him, no? Same goals in which first in the whole world. Now, first commercial space line for Virgin Galactic. Mine is friendly for people, no need of balance, no pain in the buttocks, medicine not taken orally. Right, Jack? This is our 7 treatment sessions. Big difference if you are a Filipino or an American by which they trust 100. First, they trust. If they trust 100%, then that's all 100%. Jack, mine Jack is about that. Helping my countrymen in which the history of crab mentality I developed into not to educate them. Yeah, that's why Jack. I have a basketball competition by which first Arwin Argumenters Cup, in which I make it younger, 10 years below, in which to educate them what's the proper exercises because they're not close mind. Okay, so just helping Jack. Then thank you for your support, Jack. So here's the gasoline. What's the gasoline, Jack? So here, now today is so much Gatling gun. Yeah, the Gatling gun in the brain, in which this one is 6.5 kilograms. So that's why Jack can walk and walk, but again, the very big difference is his brain because of the 4 months cannot walk, by which starting to make it faster. That's why I educate and talk to the patient. No, again here, Jack, straight yeah. Then hold 10 seconds, Jack. Start now. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, just congrats, yeah. 10. Because that's some more load. Yeah? That's the last load. Again, that's the last load. That's your gasoline jobs. Then after 10 treatment sessions, when you go home, tell your loved ones that you do like this. Yeah, just lying down there. Yeah, do it twice a week. Yeah, that's hold 10 seconds hold. Oh, yeah. That's your gasoline jobs. I term it's gasoline by which your muscle strength is your car. You use your muscles, and then you put gasoline by which also the gasoline in the muscles. Okay. So here, Jack, side. Then 10 seconds hold, Jack. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Jack, there you are. So again, nag-additional ta, 2 ka bottle, there you are. No? 2 bottles na. Last time, kanawa to i-review to one maka-betters about documented, no? And then the Filipino Jack one, I have a lot of patients, Jack, I turned down. I never treated them. I'm not after the money because they don't want documented. What? Is education. I have also a patient that you go to church. Mine is helping for the people, especially for the poor, by which this one, yeah, he cried with me just, yeah, because how you love your loved ones. And then this one is the last, yeah, 10 seconds hold. There you are. 1, 2, there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, thank you again. Just very big difference. Be open-minded Filipino because this is ours, yeah? Wala nga, itong kupitin siya, pinaka-rich, ang kita, pinaka-pobre, with pure care po, no? Again, thank you to Jack. I know, my master used him because of para sa Filipino, kaya Filipino, di lagi, lisod kay gifted tag, no? So Jack, the biceps, there you are. 10 seconds hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there you are. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here, every time yan, tagal ka sa doon. So here, you put hot packs and tens to vasodilate the arteries, and this one's the machine, the only, no? That's all my management. That's why no operation, no injection, no medicine. We have the same in the hospital. by which they don't have the Arwen ergometer. Again, the Arwen, thanks God, yeah, the magic word, I'm already, by which people can understand, especially now, I'm happy for the Filipino, by which they're number one, because maybe they understand that everything is changed, yeah? That's why, Mr. Branson, I promote also your goals, yeah, to orbit the moon. Orbit the moon. There's no impossible together without prayer. Maybe the prayer lacking from Mr. Branson, yeah? Thank you.